We are at the Raleigh Oaks Campground, not too far from us, which is the park that we highly recommend. Everything is neat and tight, lots of space, everything works, 50 amp service, a couple of pools, laundry facility, which we didn't get to use all of it, but we came mainly to just test our coach and learn some things that how to operate and how to use. So far we've done well. We accomplished a lot of things, of which some are. So we managed to open all our slides. That all works well. Leveling system worked fine as well, and the site is pretty much level anyway. So that was a good news. A couple of things around. So this is a 50 amp service, so we got our setup. That was no issue with that. Sewer, we got connected, but I'm not gonna empty the system. Actually, I prefer having some gray and black water just slashing around. For the time being, we didn't use it that much. Managed to hook up my water. Tested I have it off right now, but have my water pressure gauge on. Highly recommended. Pressure here is 80 psi, so that may be harmful. So on the outside, everything worked. They have a Wi-Fi and a cable here. I connected my coaxial cable to the only outlet in the coach, but I was not able to get the TV. Well, we did get to watch the DVR. We watched the DVD, but I couldn't figure out how to work the cable. This is one of those things that don't quite know yet. The only problem we ran into is with the water hookup. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's the matter of reset. As we were as trying to fill in the water, which I quite don't know exactly. It's not exactly straightforward. Just hook up the hose and turn the water on. It's a little bit more involved. Again, it all sounds simple for those who have done this many times, but this coach is different. So maybe I'm missing something, but it seems like if I overfill, the water was leaking in the middle of the coach somewhere. It almost feels like an access or safety valve of some sort. So that's something I have to look into. But so not able to run the cable inside yet, and the water, I don't know exactly what was the issue, but inside the tank computer shows 40% full, but they maybe just need a reset, so I'm not sure about that. We got quite a few things done on the inside. Very excited. Right now we are finishing the laundry. We're running the washer and dryer. We did just ate our first baked croissant. We used our convection oven to bake the croissants. So we did that. We brought our coffee machine, made some good coffee. All three air conditioning systems are running great. Got to use the hot water, electric heating, and Agua Hot. Also turn on the floor heat, the tile heat. Tested that worked fine. What else? Took a shower. That was great. So we got quite a few things done. Just finishing up on the inside, waiting for the washer and dryer to complete the cycle, and then we're going to be packing it up. So enjoy staying here. It's been here about 20 hours. We just wanted to plug in and test some things, and we learned a lot. So just a couple of things about a TV. I don't know, but TV is not that high. And I have to check the water pressure and how quiet to fill the tanks without overflowing and whatnot. So, but rather than that, it was a great stay here, and looking forward to many more of those. This was a great campground. I think there's about 150 sites, plenty of space, very open. Place has lights at night. It's a beautiful setting. They also have cabins. There's like about maybe 40-50 cabins out there as well. So highly recommend the campground. Very quiet, and very clean. Wi-Fi, 50 amp service, full hookups, pull-throughs. I think the sites are 70 feet. Most of them are 70 feet long, so anything big should work here. So yeah, that's us. First full hookup, and so far we got most of it working. We just a couple of things still to work with, but other than that, it's been great. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you.